If you are looking for a change to the background color in MS Paint, then keep watching. First open the MS Paint. And here is the canvas. First you need to select the color. For example, selecting I'm red. And in the tools group, you will see that the color bucket. You need to click on that. And now you see that there is a color bucket. You need to click on the canvas and you will see that the background color is changed. And also you can change any other color by selecting this and this one. So if you want to change the color background of a picture, then how you can do that? Go to the file and select the picture from the computer and open it. And now head to the eraser and you can change the size of eraser to there and make it like this. Erase it. And now select the color of your choice, for example yellow, and now head to the color bucket, click on that and click on this eraser area, and now the background is changed of the specific picture for a particular area. So this way you can easily change the color background in MS Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.